He's inedible.
Word the incredible bird.
One day, Sally was watching her favorite TV show.
I loved Girls Gone Wild.
And Word the incredible bird was sailing on his boat.
Today, fine day for sailing the ocean blue. I wish there was a show called Ice Cream Gone Wild. I'm hungry. Can't wait for lunch. I sensed something awful. Oh no! Sally's in trouble. I better go save her. Hoist the jib. Full sail ahead. Mac and cheese gone wild would be good too. Hope she has ketchup.
Meanwhile, in Sally's bedroom,
I'm here for you, Sally. Bacon gone wild. You're not in your bed. You're not up here either. There she is. Sally, watch out! There's a gator after you! Ah! I'll get him! Mission complete. Anybody want some fried gator tail? Word, you're my hero. Thanks, friend.
join us next time for our next episode of The Adventures of Word the Incredible Bird.
Word the unforgettable.
He's inedible.
Word the